In this video, we will explore the fundamentals of the client concept in SAP. The term client refers to the highest organizational unit within the SAP system. It sits above all other structural levels and defines the framework for all data, users, and processes within the context of a specific SAP client. When visualizing an SAP system as a multi-client system, the client represents the top-level instance under which legally and organizationally independent entities can be operated. Thus, the client determines the overarching system separation and forms the starting point for all further configuration within the SAP system architecture. A client in SAP is identified by a 3-digit numerical code. Typical examples include client numbers 100, 200, or 300. This number governs the data environment a user accesses during login. Entering the client number is part of the login procedure and is a prerequisite for accessing any functionality available within the system. Only after logging into the correct client does the corresponding data and system environment become available. By specifying the client number at login, the system knows which isolated data environment should be accessed. In practice, organizations frequently operate several clients within a single system. These clients are logically separated and allow parallel usage of the system for different purposes, such as development, testing, quality assurance, or productive operation. This separation is not only technical, but also content-related. Accounting documents, customer master data, material stock, or transactional records within one client are neither visible nor accessible to another. This ensures that each organizational unit can operate independently within its assigned client, even if multiple clients share the same system installation. Within a client, additional organizational units can be defined. These include company codes, plants, storage locations, sales areas, or purchasing organizations. These elements form the basis for mapping operational processes in modules such as logistics, financial accounting, or human resources. Without the definition of these units within a client, a complete and functional process representation would not be possible. For this reason, client assignment is an essential prerequisite for any business-oriented use of the SAP system. Data in SAP is categorized into two types: client-dependent and client-independent data. Client-dependent data is valid only within the selected client. This includes, for example, business partner master data, transaction data, or movement records. Such data cannot be accessed or used in another client. In database tables that store client-dependent data, the client is often part of the primary key. This ensures that each dataset is uniquely assigned to a specific client. This data model underpins the concept of SAP as a multi-client system. In contrast, client-independent data is valid across the entire system. This includes user accounts, certain customizing settings, or technical system configurations. Changes to client-independent data automatically affect all clients within the system. This distinction is particularly relevant for system administrators and consultants who work across different clients or make cross-client configurations. The implementation and operation of multiple clients in a single SAP system require a clearly defined authorization and access control concept. It must be ensured that users only have access to the clients relevant to their area of responsibility. At the same time, client separation contributes to data security and the organizational segregation of business processes. In many system landscapes, it is common practice to maintain separate systems for development, quality assurance, and production, each with multiple clients dedicated to specific use cases. In summary, the client in SAP represents the central administrative layer through which data, users, and organizational structures are logically separated. It forms the foundation for system organization and is consistently present in every application and process configuration.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.